everywhere. It's been raining 3 days now, but look at this. The beans, they come out, flowers everywhere. That. It's a lot. I want to go even to crawl here. Right down washing line. Native bees is here. Look guys. Look at this one. Don't crawl in the beans because they won't make it longer. You suffocate them, right? You'll undo that fast. So yeah, in the background, there's a lot of water right now. And some area is already flooding, so stay safe everyone. So it's gonna harvest longer and bigger. So that one under. So we got some baby eggplant there, see? And they're everywhere in the ground. So my compost is not quite ready. Otherwise I already gave it to them. But I only gave it just mushroom compost. They are good as well. So I probably apply this again soon. As long as not raining, they're okay. Oh, the long beans. Wow. So we can do adobong snake beans or adobong sitaw. I think in the other side, I must go in the other side there because I see there is more as well hiding in the leaves. Some of them is still flowering. Look, wow, see, those are long beans, snake beans, or noodle beans. Wow, some of them really want to crawl in the bottom where the water is. Okay. Train them up. You stay there. Don't crawl in the ground. Okay, let's look in the other side, guys. So we can do beaches for this now. Harvest more and give you more.